Hey everybody, let's talk in this video how we could do implement for selection sort. So to do implement our selection sort, I will get a new class. I will name it selection. I will say sorting, so because I need to do selection sort method in the code. So main method implemented, here you go. So to implement selection sort, let me define static selection, okay, sort. The selection sort take integer for array. Okay, here you go. Now I want to do selection sort. How you would think the selection sort static void or should not return anything. So how you think the selection sort should work. So first of all, you have for loop integer I equal 0. Then you say I less than array dot length then I plus because hey, I just have element. I need to go less than that element, then I continue. Make sure I start from 0 and I continue less than last element. Yes, it's better to say less than 1 because you don't want to go through the last element when you do selection, because it's already sorted the last element, so you don't need to work with it. So -1 will be better. So now I restarted. So what do you think I need? First of all, I need to get the index, the element that I need to swap with. So let me suppose the index equal I as initial value. Then I would look for the another one. I say j equal I plus 1 because I would search from the next element. I will not search with my element. Then j less than array dot length because I need to go next. Then I say j plus. Okay, no, j minus j plus. Here you go. So yes, here is it. So now I say if array for j greater than or less than array for index, please take the index and replace it. So you say okay, index should be equal j. So what I mean by that, first of all I just define integer j equal I plus 1, then j for the less than the element, then whenever I find it I replace it. So what this process mean hey, if you want to draw it, you say okay, I have this list of element. I would start from first element as he say here 0. I would compare with the next one. I would not compare with the first one because if you see I plus 1, so I will not compare with itself. So I will continue compared with anyone. Whenever I find any element less than it, I take the index, I replace it with it. So I have the index. Finally, if there is any element here greater than my element, the index should be changed. Index should not be equal I. So now I'm checking. If index is not equal I, that means hey, there is something happen. So I would say here, I just go down, I would say if the index is not equal I, that means something happened because I already said here they are equal. If there is some change happen, that means they are not equal. So what I would say integer temp, okay, equal array for index. Then you say array for index equal for array for I. Then you say array for I equal temp. Here you go. Yeah, this is basically hopefully temp write it correctly. Here you go. So now this is sorting algorithm and hopefully it work fine without any problem. And this is what I want to share with you in this point. So let me think about how we call this method. Did you remember in bubble sort how we called in the main method? We just create main and all this stuff. Let me just copy this code from bubble sort, this is bubble sort, and go to selection and replace main with this main. So what I have in this main, I just define array before sorting, print it, then call bubble sort. Now I'm calling selection sort, so make sure you call selection sort. Okay, make sure you call them this way, and you say hey, then you print them after you selected. And here you go. Now let me click, hopefully sorted. Yes, if you see, now the array is get sorted using selection. Again, selection still give you n square because here you have n and here you have n, and n by n is n square. For that reason, selection sort is not good also. Here we done, and thank you for watching.